Welcome to Alchemy Parts, the motorbike accessory specialist. If you're looking to change your taillight, we sell a wide variety of them on our website. They're designed for a large range of bikes, including café racers, scramblers, commuters, special builds and custom bikes, and more often than not, they easily mount to your mudguard or can be integrated into your existing bodywork. What's more, some of our taillights have built-in indicators, and they come in a range of finishes such as gloss black, matte black and chrome. Some also have different grills to suit your needs, such as mesh grille and prison grille, and they all come in a variety of sizes. Thanks for watching.